Tabathela ithuba ke sibulise kubathandi nababukeli beCaps podcast namhlanje niyabona ngu-serious kakhulu silapha ndifuna ke ngiqale nje ndenze i-disclaimer kancinci phambi koba siqalise i-episode yethu njengubona there's a lot of branding ozayibona namhlanje that is not associated with the Caps podcast. This is a paid content yonke it has to do with the ANC and the ward councillor ezawube i-contesta kwa-ward 6 apha eMthatha kwi-by elections ezizawulandela. So ndenzela into abantu ngembukeli uyazi into ethi asiyo ANC asirepresent i-ANC umuntu we-ANC nizambona nje in a minute ozawube elapha. So thabathethe ixesha lakho ke usibukele usimamele uzawubuza ke nalapha kwi-comments uzibuzele ukansela ulapha is gonna read your comments, is gonna respond and is gonna give you his heart about ward 6 apha eMthatha. Mhlekazi manithabathele ithuba ndibulise namhlanje kunjani?
Mandibulise bhuti wamakhondo kunjani namhlanje?
Hayi siyaphila.
Siyabulela.
Yeah. Ndifuna nje sivele singene endimeni ababukeli balindile kakhulu bafuna ukwazi into abantu ba ward 6 njengoba ngoku as we talk engena councillor ngubani olandelayo. So ulapha ke ngomnye wabantu abathi bazongenela phaya bayo contesta. Ndifuna nje ukuqala usixelele ngawe ungowaphi usuka phi uzalwaphi.
Ndabulela. Mna igama lami ndinguNtsikelelo. Ndinayo middle name okuthiwa nguShadrack. Bengumzali Sifana. Untsundu Mngqongolo. Ndizalelwe eElliotdale. Back then kodwa ndikhulele ke eWestern Cape eKapa because abazali baye baphangela pha kwela cala lase Western Cape. So ndinayo into yoba ndikhulele ke pha ndiyayazi for instance into ze-apartheid uba ibinjani ndiyithastile. Apho uyofumanisa into yokubana uba ngaba ubheke edorophini sasihamba ngetrain ke ufumanisa uba awukhweli kwi-first and second uyacarriage lokugqibela elabantu abaninzi abakhulu because i-blacks zazibhilonga pha. So la yokuqala nesibini it was reserved for the whites exclusively. And xa ufika ezitoilet even pha wafumanisa uba there is a black, there is a white. Unobanjelwa nje into ukuthi ungene kwi-toilet ethe white ube u-black. So ndiyithastile ke apartheid. So ndisoka kuloo background yoba kuthe kufika idemocracy ndabona umahluko omkhulu. So ndinguloo mntu ke who was a teacher for quite some time. Ndikhe ndayi-principal for more than 10 years kwezinye zikolo zalapha Eastern Cape.
Yeah, nami umbuzo wami ulandelayo benza kubuza nje uba do you have any history in a public service because you know xa uzongena kwi-office enjengalena kufuneka ube ngumuntu one-track record. So nje just to bring people to your confidence, yeah. Did you ever serve in a public office? I want you to answer that exclusively. Do you ever served in a public office? Have you ever served in the public before? Abantu uqhele usebenza nabo.
Into yami leyo ndiyabona I was meant and I was designed and I was created to do just that.
Yeah.
Because in the end ndafundiswa as a teacher and ndasebenza ke kwi-Department of Education and again ndawanyuka amanqanaba pha. Post level 1 teacher, your HOD being the deputy and the principal. Ude ngoso i-principal uphinde ufumanisa uba umbutho like I was in SADTU kwinhlangano sekete ndabamba i-leadership as a chairperson for quite a number of times. Uhlala ke pha 2 years after that elapse but ufumanisa abantu bayakufuna back. Mna ngicimba ndayiseva into about 6 years because of my leadership style. They used to love me because there was a divide between old folks and nabantu abatsha when it comes to sport. So the thing is going ahead into yobana ke ngoku ndithi come to that gap to bring those two extremes together. So ndisevile ke pha kuSADTU ndaphinda nakuSANCO ndayimember apha eMthatha. Ndaphinda futhi ndayi-chairperson of the community apho besebenza under the ward committee. So I was elected as the chairperson for quite a number of times phana. So ndicinga into yobana nasizathu soba ke mhlawumbi abantu bandichoose to vote for me to represent this ANC is because they've seen my track record on the ground. Because I used to take them, issues zabo personal, since I attended the ward committee, ndibase nako masipala, mayor knows my face. So I used to take people in the Basepana, Aban's problem. You talk about indigent people. You talk about child-headed homes. You talk about old people. You talk about disabled people. So I was in the forefront to at least help them out. So that's my background.
Yeah, yeah. It's
When
quite
it comes to public service.
Yeah, it's quite an interesting background indeed. Zonke into zinyathelo ezibonakalisa into ethi ungumuntu osebenza ngabantu. And I like the fact that you are saying bakukhetha because
Yeah,
babona your leadership style.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that is quite interesting. But I'm now interested, why ANC? What motivated you to actually join this movement?
Mna I'm a clergy. Mna. So when I sat down and think about which movement or party should I join, I found out that the ANC was birthed inside the four walls of the church.
Okay.
So Lord John Langalibabele Dube was the first president of this organization, and they were the clergymen.
Okay.
So I found that I can relate with this one, because if you are a clergy and some 20 or auspices their religion, you will respect people. But you need to be respected. And I found in the man upper that is what they call lately Ibatupili principle. That is people first. Okay. You know, when you look into the Bible, you will find so the one thing he did, and he came to this world, was for the people first. He never came for the animals. His salvation was for the people. So I found some comfort to join this one so that I can serve people with all the conscience. I can serve people with the respect, because people are the image of God. In Greek they say imago Dei, that means the image of God. So I believe that if I look at to anybody, I can see that this one is the image of God. He is crafted after God's image.
Thank you so much. Yeah, that's quite interesting. Yeah, now ndifuna sizeke ngoku kundoqo lo uzele apha namhlanje, that is standing up as a candidate kwa Ward 6. Yeah, ungena phayana ufuna into bana kwezi by-elections zilandelayo ube ngomnye wabantu abazaba phaa. Just to give a picture to umuntu opha ekhaya ongenalwazi ofana namba, Ward 6 uqala phi uphela phi?
Ward 6, I can say, is a breadbasket of KSD, because uzawuqala phaa kwi-CBD North, ukustrata kuthiwa Owen Street. All this side is a west, okuzoqabela bedorobheni phezulu omakha zit Cumberland no Blackway, all the stuff. Uzoqabela ke ngoku koma Fort Gale, ubuye uze koma Mbuku, uze koma Greenville, uze koma Nduli, uze koma Tiwane, uze Parkhom, uwele uye eSouthernwood. Uyawufana but that is Ward 6. Ward 6 ke dynamic, because you find there is an urban side. As I said, it comes from East CBD town, but there is some periphery, I would say peri-urban, because Conindau is a peri-urban within that space.
Yeah.
So that is how it Ward 6.
Okay. Now, I want to check with this rich experience you have of serving a community.
Sure.
Yeah, now, ucinga Ward 6 intoni mhlawumbi aza kuyibenefita kuwe ngokungenela kwakho apha njengoba ungena ngokumazi Ward 6, like yintoni mhlawumbi oye wathi xa uyijonga kuwe wabona bana it rather qualifies you banyani nawe ungangenela ku Ward 6?
Yeah, sometimes you see we service abantu in our own space, in our own cocoon. Okay. Now, when we pump this under to say, I can stand for you people, choose me, then they vote for you. On the 20th last month, they voted for me unanimously. I got the highest vote.
Yeah.
Why did they do that? Because they've seen my track record.
Okay.
Yeah, it was not a new phase to work for them, because I was working for them, but on my individual basis, I was not sent. But being a member of the ANC, I knew what to do for the people. But now they gave me the chance to, okay, now there is no councillor. Can you that Kamnandi has pumped because this what I'm doing again, do it better when I've been mandated and using and pushing policies and a manifesto of the ANC, which was launched in 2021. You see, about water, sanitation, sewerage, roads and stuff like that, which is service delivery, by the way. So Labona can do better if they need a chance to do that. You see.
Okay. Yeah, no, thanks. I want to check ke ngoku njengomuntu who's exposed to Ward 6.
sir.
Kunomuntu omameleyo pha ekhaya ozibuzayo into bana ingaba lo muntu ungenela kuba nyani Ward 6 ewazi abantu abahlala pha abazazi challenges zapha. So I want to check with you. Are there any challenges, specific challenges that you have seen on the ground ocinga ba you want to address ngokungena kwakho apha ube nguward councillor olandelayo?
Yeah, there's a lot. There's quite a lot. Even good door to door because I had to go down to the ground and touch a band and listen to what they want. Le what came, it's so dynamic that we will find in different classes of people. You'll find you've got the 4K, Southern Wood, but still in the same word, you have your informal settlement and in the park home. So there's other problems up. Okay. You'll find as a fan, even the leadership style that I'm bringing to the table is a situational leadership. They address the situation as it comes. The problems of 4K, you're injecting up because their problem and challenges are very different. Okay. Sometimes I can give an example, but that is the way the word is made up of. Yeah. Yeah. Even in a rainbow nation, if man within, you will get your white people, your black people, your colored people who are here. That needs some services. All of them equally, they need services. So, to say, you see, the Bible says a model that if you are a prophet, yes, you are talking for God to the people. If you are a priest, you are talking to people, to God, about the people. So, if you have a mindset to say, the model, leadership model and style, it will be like that of Christ. To say, uzana bantu ubazise kuThixo uthatha uThixo ubase ebantwini. You see, so that is the leadership which is situational leyo yoba ungazi nabantu ngengqondo yakho balithisha uba what do you want them to want and what do you want them to have, but go to the people and listen to them. What is it that they want? Then you can service them accordingly.
Enkosi kakhulu. Now I just want you to bring to your confidence abantu abapha ekhaya ngoba you know kukho ideology yoba abantu abazaba candidates for uba councillor or any other public office.
Yes, sir.
Baqala uye ebantwini xa befuna uvotelwa. Would you say you've been engaging abantu base Ward 6 before this time? Have you been helping people on the ground? Have you been involved in public service, particularly Ward 6 before this time?
It's just that I don't have, I did not bring the pictures where you'll find, but I was in the forefront of the cleaning campaign, more especially in my space. I could not do that across the whole world because I was not given a mandate to go all the way to Ward 6 to do. But that what I did in Ward 6 was the sample and modeling of what I can do on a larger scale. So, you will find me there in the cleaning campaign. You will find me when it comes to crime. You will find me. I was in the forefront.
Okay, present dates. Present dates, when I'm luckily I was here to save the day. Thank you so much, like, you know, those present dates. Present dates. It's a present father. So that's one of so
yes, sir.
Why do you think that you are the right candidate?
Yes, njengoba besendishilo ke ndathi kwinto ezininzi bendiba very hands on kwezi zinto. You'll find that there was one time apho kuye kwatsha should I say into ezinto ezincinci zikiosk ezincinci. I was the first person to get there because la it's next to a gate yomzi. If wawungazuyi-attend wawuzawutsha the whole house alarms. Now ndafika pha ndafumanisa uba bayacima abantu ngamanzi, siyacima ngamanzi, but amanzi I found out that day uba they are not helpful when it comes to in place. So change a method thathatha umhlaba sawucima, we could be able then to conquer that. And also with crime, we have been fighting crime there. Singenayo ne-CPF, siba neighborhood watch to say uba ngaba kukho into eyenzekayo masikhalisane impempe. I was in the forefront of that. It's me who galvanized people to do that without CPF. So bathi sibetha abantu basebusuku sifowunelwe but utsiba ngamadonga indawo yethu is close to something bushy like a forest. So ufumanisa uba kufuneka uyakuza ungena ngezikhindi ubaleke uleqa amaphala all around. So people could see that uba nama could see if I can work for the people given a chance.
Mhlawumbi ke njengoba usowutshilo present dates buyile kodwa but ke sasibamba pha. Mhlawumbi njengoba usitsho ke uzicalula zonke izinto mhlawumbi that wena abantu banganyulela khona to be the right candidate. Mhlawumbi wena ke how will you mhlawumbi address the issues of ezizikhona mhlawumbi kwa Ward 6 as this candidate mhlawumbi ufuna abantu bakonyule. Mhlawumbi uzoqhubisana nazo njani wena mhlawumbi ingxaki ezikhoyo kwa Ward 6? Phofu maqala kwento yokuba zeziphi mhlawumbi incakasana izidingo mhlawumbi ozibonayo into bona abantu bakwa Ward 6 bayazidinga ngeli xesha wakabe nguye wena.
Njengoba bendishilo nathi ke i-Ward 6 is a very complex in a band of different classes. Masenze umzekelo. If you go to Fort Gale, you have uba i-Fort Gale.
Sayikhatha.